Returning to my Coin Lady channel, I am pleased to see you again. We have a highly bullish outlook on the markets and, according to our sources, new all-time highs are on the horizon for this week. The crypto market is seeing even more activity as major US banks, like JP Morgan, announce plans to offer an actively managed Bitcoin fund to their private, rich clients. This is the latest bombshell from JP Morgan. The market is seeing a further influx of capital from JP Morgan, and the company's CEO Jamie Dimon has hinted that they may get more involved in the cryptocurrency market due to their status as the leading blockchain user. That being said, JP Morgan is basically betting the farm on cryptocurrency. He was the largest bank, which has huge implications for the cryptocurrency sector. There has been massive uptake, and a flood of capital, totaling billions of dollars, has entered the market. The markets are currently experiencing a little fall, which is par for the course, but the signs still point to a fairly positive outlook. At the moment, XRP is selling for 58 cents, Ethereum for $26.35, Bitcoin for $62,800, and Solana for $144. Now that BNY Mellon is also a custodying party, I would be very astonished if cryptocurrency prices were to fall again. With assets worth more than $45 trillion. 2 times the GDP of the United States is being invested in the cryptocurrency market by these individuals. In 2022, BNY Mellon published an article in the Financial Times on wholesale pilots conducted by the Federal Reserve in Singapore. These pilots will enable a financial reset through the usage of multi-currencies. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are entering the system, which has the potential to streamline international wholesale payments involving many currencies. Since BNY Mellon has identified both Stellar and Rebel as unique blockchain infrastructure protocols, it is possible that XRP and other great currencies may become involved. Additionally, the world's largest custodian bank, BNY Mellon, has reported that 97% of asset managers believe that tokenization will revolutionize finance. This further supports the idea that CBDCs and blockchain technology will be integrated into our new financial system. BNY Mellon is bullish on both XRP and XLM. It was January 29, 2024, when BNY Mellon's head of digital asset products joined Ripple, and tokenization is taking place on top of the XRP ledger. According to their documentation, BNY Mellon has already adopted XRP. This further confirms their decision. In addition, BNY Mellon, a major bank, is positive on XRP, which indicates that we are as well. It's no accident that BNY Mellon was supposedly the first bank to get SEC approval to custody Bitcoin for clients. Regarding banks, BNY Mellon has received the Green Alliance designation from the SEC. You have significant ties to Ripple and XRP. In terms of investment securities, our bank's unrealized losses reached $519 billion in the second quarter of 2024, which is 7 times higher than the peak of the 2008 financial crisis, correct? So, when the US banking system fails, it will be 7 times worse than 2008. Q4 2024 will also be the 11th straight quarter of unrealized losses due to the continued pressure from interest rates on the economy. Hang in there, folks, the US banking system will fail at some point. Actually, in the event of a total collapse, the worst financial collapse in history would occur, surpassing even the Great Depression of 1929. A large number of bank branches have also closed as a result of this. With 90 branches shuttered in 2024, Bank of America is leading the pack of banking locations that are closing quickly. The list goes on and on with US Bank, Wells Fargo, Chase, TD Bank, PNC, and many more. Also, that's a lot, 539 branches closed their doors in 2024. In addition, on October 1st, banks will be required to comply with Basel III regulations, which means they must hold more capital and may close more branches. Basel also mandates that 3 banks hold XRP and other cryptocurrencies as well as commodities like gold and silver. After reviewing the list of derivatives, we find that JP Morgan has the most, putting them at the top. It would be significant if JP Morgan were to tokenize their derivatives on the XRP ledger. The cryptocurrency exchanges Bitstamp, Ripple, and Robinhood have all entered the derivatives market. At that point, BNY Mellon's $1.2 trillion in derivatives may propel it to number 7, and XRP's market size might reach $57 trillion. From the US debt clock, we can see that BNY Mellon is sending XRP to a $1.2 trillion market cap. The Feds, a banking cartel that has engaged in counterfeiting, money laundering, conspiracy, fraud, and racketeering for a century, are now facing reparations, and justice has been served against them. As a result, the Feds were abolished. The viewer's presence here is greatly appreciated. Bye for now, and please subscribe and like my channel.